Imagine this. You step outside, the sun is shining, and for the first time in a long while, you feel amazing. You're glowing not just on the outside, but from within. That's what a summer glow up is all about. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling happy, confident, and full of energy. If you want to make this your reality, you're in the right place. Let's go on a fun and refreshing journey that will help you feel like the best version of yourself. 1. Skincare. Keep it simple and effective. Your skin deserves love, and a good routine makes a huge difference. Stick to the basics. Cleanse, moisturize, and always wear sunscreen. The sun can be harsh, and sunscreen helps protect your skin from damage. Exfoliate once or twice a week to remove dead skin and make your face look fresh. You can also try face masks for extra hydration and relaxation. Use face masks 1 or 2 times a week. The best and easy face mask is rice face mask. And don't forget to drink plenty of water. Hydrated skin is happy skin. 2. Eating right. Nourish your body without stress. You don't have to follow a strict diet or spend hours preparing meals. Just make small, healthier choices. Swap chips and candy for fruits, yogurt, or nuts. It doesn't mean you have to eat healthy food all the time. Just follow the 80-20 rule. Choose whole grains like brown rice instead of white rice. Eat more protein like eggs, chicken, or beans to stay full longer. And of course, don't forget healthy fats like nuts and avocado. They help your skin and hair glow. You can still enjoy your favorite treats, just in moderation. 3. Exercise. Move your body and feel strong. Working out doesn't have to be boring or feel like a chore. Find something you actually enjoy. Swimming, walking, or even jump rope. Try to move for at least 30 minutes a day. Strength exercises like squats and push-ups help tone your body, while cardio like jogging or skipping keeps your heart healthy. If you want exercise videos, you can try Grow with Joe for cardio and Emmy Wong for strength training. You don't have to be good at workout right away. Just do it at your own pace. Stretching is just as important to keep your body flexible and pain-free. Track your progress and celebrate even the smallest wins. 4. Wardrobe refresh. Wear what makes you feel amazing. Your style says a lot about you, so make sure it reflects who you are. Go through your clothes and remove anything that doesn't make you feel confident. Keep pieces that fit well and match your vibe. Basics like jeans and plain tops are great, but don't be afraid to add fun accessories to show your personality. Try new styles and colors. You might find a new favorite look. You don't have to spend a ton of money on new clothes. Try to mix and match your clothes and do some basic layering to create new outfits. 5. Hair care. Treat your hair like a crown. Healthy hair makes a big difference in your overall look. Use a gentle shampoo and conditioner to keep it soft and shiny. Deep condition once a week to prevent dryness. Rinse your hair with rice water 30 min before washing for that shiny hair look. Use this following hair mask once a week and apply on lengths. Wrap your hair with silk bonnet at night. Avoid too much heat from straighteners and curling irons. If you use them, always apply a heat protectant. If you want to change, try a new haircut or color. If you don't want it, then try experimenting with different hairstyles. The right hairstyle can boost your confidence instantly. For hijabis, try to wear light scarves that are breathable and soft. If you want, you can also try new hijab styles. 6. Mental health. Take care of your mind. A glow-up isn't just about looks, it's about feeling good on the inside too. Take time to relax and clear your mind. Spend at least 15 minutes journaling, meditating, or simply spending time alone can help reduce stress. The next most important step is to set boundaries with people who drain your energy. Surround yourself with friends who support and uplift you. If you ever feel overwhelmed, it's okay to ask for help. A healthy mind leads to a healthy life. 7. Social media detox. Focus on real life. Social media can be fun, but too much of it can make you feel bad about yourself. Try to spend less time scrolling and more time doing things you love. Read a book, start a hobby, or go outside for fresh air. Follow accounts that inspire and motivate you instead of ones that make you compare yourself to others. Your glow-up is about you, not anyone else. 8. Confidence boosting. Believe in yourself. Confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. Stand tall, smile, and speak with confidence. Stop doubting yourself and start believing in your abilities. One trick is to compliment yourself daily. Say in the mirror, I am worthy, I am confident, I am beautiful. It might feel weird at first, but over time, you'll start seeing yourself in a more positive way. The more you push yourself out of your comfort zone, the more confident you'll become. 9. Social confidence. Shine in every situation. Looking good is great, but feeling confident in social settings makes all the difference. Work on your communication skills. Practice speaking clearly and listening actively. Make eye contact when talking to someone. Be friendly and open to new experiences. If social situations make you nervous, start small by talking to people in everyday situations, like at a store or in class. The more you practice, the easier it gets. 10. Self-care rituals. Make time for yourself. Taking care of yourself should never feel like a chore. You should be your first priority in life. Do things that make you happy, whether it's watching your favorite show, reading, or having a spa day at home. Get enough sleep, because rest is just as important as productivity. Pampering yourself isn't selfish, it's necessary. When you feel good, everything else falls into place. 11. Gratitude and reflection. Appreciate your journey. One of the best ways to maintain a glow-up is to focus on gratitude. Take a few minutes every day to write down things you're thankful for. Even the smallest thing, like water, food, health. This helps you see how much progress you've made. Reflect on your journey, and don't be too hard on yourself when things don't go as planned. You are showing up and doing your best, and that's enough. Growth takes time, and every little step counts. Keep going and stay positive. 12. Mindset shift. Think like the best version of you. Your mindset shapes your reality. Start thinking like the person you want to become. Instead of saying, I can't, say, I'm learning. Instead of focusing on failures, focus on lessons. Positive thinking doesn't mean ignoring problems, but it does mean choosing to see opportunities instead of obstacles. It's all about changing your perspective towards life. When you believe in yourself, nothing can stop you. The most important thing is to stay consistent and disciplined. You don't need to master everything right away. Just focus on building small habits that are easy to incorporate into your daily life. And there you have it, the ultimate summer glow-up guide. This isn't just about looking good for the summer, it's about creating habits that make you feel amazing all year long. Whether you start with skincare, exercise, or confidence building, remember that every small effort matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you liked the video. See you next time.